castle behind us here was built in about the 13th century by the McCarthys. It's of a Norman design. Previous castles to this on this site were of a wooden structure, but this, as you can see, is of fine solid stone. The walls here above us are approximately 15 feet thick, and this would have been the ancestral home of the McCarthys. The history around the Blarney Stone: when you kiss it, you get the gift of eloquence. Some people believe that the McCarthy supplied approximately 3,000 soldiers to Robert de Bruce for the Battle of Bannockburn, and in gratitude he gave McCarthy half the stone of Scone, which is the coronation stone of the Scottish kings. The actual stone was then put into the battlements in the keep, and it bestows the gift of eloquence on anybody who actually kisses the stone. So from here on, if you kiss the stone, you will never want for a word, because you will never be stuck for a word, so you will always have plenty to say. The gardens at this time of the year are in full bloom. There is a magnificent house at the back of the castle where the present owners reside, the Colthurst family.